Hey everyone, it's Melody. I am here with another BTS unboxing video. Today we have the Artist Made Collection by BTS by Suga Yoongi. This is going to be his note set, so I'm really excited to show you guys this. This is one of my high priority items from the merch drop. So let's go ahead and get this box open and see what's inside. If you happen to like BTS unboxing videos or BTS related content, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you want to see more of it on my channel. I will try to upload a little bit more frequently than I have been recently. If you guys want to see more from me in general, you can always hit subscribe down below. I also have my Instagram account listed down below in case you are interested in kind of following along with my collecting journey for BTS. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So here is the box that it comes in. If you saw my other videos for Namjoon and for Jin, they actually had dust bags with their items. Those were more like clothing items though. Since it's a note set, I think it just comes in this box. It does have Artist Made Collection by BTS Suga Yoongi on it. It is a little bit embossed. I don't know if you can tell that or not. And I think it's supposed to look like the note set once it's like closed. I don't think you can tell really that it's embossed, but and let's go ahead and open it up. I'm literally opening this up live while doing this, so I have no idea what it's gonna look like inside, but I'm very excited. All right, let's open it up. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Okay, so right off the bat, you get the envelope. It says Suga, and then here it is. Oh goodness gracious, okay. Inside the box you obviously have the cover and the case, but then you also have these notepads, and it looks like there are 3 here, and I'm assuming 1 inside, because I do remember the listing saying that it had 4 notepads altogether. It looks like they have purple and yellow as the color for the notepads, and they have the symbol here, the logo here. Very cute. It looks like it is a wide rolled paper. Let's go ahead and open this up. I am so excited for this. I got mine on Weverse Shop Global. By me, I mean my friend, because I totally did not luck out on this one, but she grabbed 2 of them. That was kind of our plan. Anyone who can get it, just get it and get 2. Okay, here it is. Oh my goodness. The material is fantastic. It's definitely a textured material there, you can see. It is definitely black, but it is more of like a charcoaly black, not a pure black. It does have the logo embossed there. Here's the back. It says Big Hit Entertainment down here. It's a good sturdy feel. That's how it looks like from the top. From the bottom it's much more open looking. All right, let's go ahead and open this up now. It's a magnetic closure. And then when you open it up, oh my goodness, love it. We have one of the notepads here, and it's the yellow one. So you get 2 purples and 2 yellows. Let me center that a little bit. And then when you open it up, let's start with this panel here. You get 6 card slots, it looks like. 3 and 3. You get a window pocket down here. On this side, you get this little top portion. It's not magnetic or anything, but it's mostly just to keep the notepad secure. If you can tell, I don't know, it's very faint, but it is embossed with by BTS on it, like very, very lightly. There we go. You can kind of see it there. By BTS. Yoongi had mentioned that he wanted to make this very subtle. He didn't want it to be like, bam, BTS. Kind of like how all the other guys did. It's very subtle in that nature for sure. Here's the notepad again with the logo here. And it does come with a pen. Let me get the pen out. So the pen is purple and it says BTS. The hardware on it, it kind of looks like a gold or a rose gold. It is a clicker. So there is a holder here for the pen. And then there is right here, a little dangly do. And it has the logo embossed there as well. And this kind of moves about. You can have it inside or outside, whatever you might prefer. I zoomed in a little bit so that we could try writing on this paper. See how it goes. There's a little safety ink cap thing, so gotta take that off before you start writing. What am I gonna write? The pen writes really nicely, and I am a snob about pens. I don't know if it's just the combination of the pen and the paper, but it's very smooth to write. There's a lot of pages in this notepad as well. The notepad dimension is actually a B5 according to the Weverse listing. So just in case you wanted to buy refills for yourself or are not a fan of the wide ruled. But yeah, that is pretty neat. I'm actually really loving this. I'm very excited. This is one of the items that I had high priority for to get, more so than even his necklace. I just think it is so very classy looking. And I usually bring a notepad or my planner with me everywhere, especially for work. I have to do a lot of organizing and scheduling for myself for work. This is absolutely brilliant. I'm really excited about this. This is just very nice quality. It has a luxurious feel to it. I love that it is black too. I'm glad he didn't go with like bright purple. I'm excited to try using this for sure. Oh gosh, it's so stunning. It doesn't quite feel like BTS merch. I don't know if that makes any sense. It feels like luxurious. I don't know. That probably sounds a little odd. I'm very pleased that they gave us 4 notepads actually, because these notepads actually have a lot of paper in them as well. Like that is pretty significant. Let us go ahead and open up the envelope now. So on the envelopes, they do have the member's name written on it in their handwriting. All the envelopes so far have come in craft paper. I've done a really bad job of opening these envelopes. I've been trying to preserve them, but it's kind of hard. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness. All right, so we've got the making log and the photo card. Let's go ahead and look at the photo card first. There is Yoongi with the notepad. He looks very proud. It's a good look. Here is the back. It says Black Note and Cover Set by Suga. I've said it in my previous videos, but these are not the thickest of photo cards either. And if you are curious, they are more of a mini tour size. I think they're like the exact same size as a mini tour photo card versus a typical like album or DVD or Blu-ray photo card. So there's the photo card. Let's go ahead and look at the making log. I've said this in my previous videos as well for Jin and for Namjoon, but these making logs are such nice inclusions, and I was a little indifferent about them originally, but I'm really happy that these making logs were included with all of the merchandise items. Black Note and Cover Set by Suga. So it is an accordion style. It is the chronology of when production and everything, product planning, his drawing. Oh, his drawing is really cute. He wanted the logo kind of as the backdrop of the paper originally, I guess. That's sweet. There he is deciding on the strap. And there is the prototype. And there he is again. It's just a lot of like his head, isn't it? Like, wait a minute, do we even see his face anywhere? Oh, just in the first one. Other than that, it's just like the top of his head. Final review. And then there he is. There's our guy. Yoongi's handwriting is the hardest for me to read sometimes, his and Namjoon's. There is the making log. Absolutely love these making logs. All right, you guys, and that is it for this unboxing of Yoongi's note set. Again, just as a reminder, this was purchased through Weverse Global. I am located in the US, and it was during the first pre-order. Please let me know down below if you were able to pick up his note set as well and what you think. This definitely exceeds my expectations. I wasn't sure how big and sturdy it would be, but it's quite sturdy and feels just so luxurious. So I'm very, very happy with this note set. Let me know if you were able to pick up any other merch from any of the other members during the merch drop. It was pretty intense, you guys, not gonna lie, but if you were able to pick up anything during either the restock or the pre-orders or anything like that, let me know down below. I just like knowing what people were able to pick up. And just a small spoiler alert, I did pick up Yoongi's necklaces, but they will be shipped much, much later. They were during the second pre-order. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Let me know if you want to see more details about this. I think I was pretty thorough without being too long-winded. But if you have any other questions, definitely let me know down in the comments down below. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the time that you took to watch. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!